Sleep stream, what's that? Oh, I remember that. Is it where I got like $20 or something? I forgot. From this guy, Young Fika. By the way, YouTube did change some logo. At least in my OBS, it is changed of mod. In OBS, it is changed over there. You started tweaking. That was insane moment. That was insane moment. Snatch Betrayal. I need you guys to suggest me a name for this game as well and everything else. Let's see how other games are doing first. Yo, Java guy, welcome to the stream. Watch the clip. Not right now. No. Oh, okay. So somebody did went out of their way to dislike flipping Eat It Fast. All right. Anyways, flip it off. Case Paradise is insane, bro. People opening Case Paradise like insane. Block Strike is 3.5k. Amazing. W Foggy, dude. 100k likes, by the way, on that game. Blind Shot. Let's see how other games are doing real quick. Starving Drummers 247. Hungry Artist dead. Indian Moisture. I did update the game. I added painting in this. Let's see if this has any inputs. 9 people. Okay. We back. 9 people played the game. All right. We'll probably you know what, I don't know. I think like that game will secretly be the one to save me from this what do you say, from these crisis, economic crisis. Starving Guitarist when it's not coming. But look, chat, look at this game. Look at this game. I added the currency thingy over there. Look at that. Just see the animation. It will increase automatically. Did you see that? How flipping cool. The sound effect. And look at this. I can probably make it more golden. But I decided that I won't focus on UI at all right now. Okay? I decided I won't focus on UI at all right now. What I'm gonna do is just complete the game. Wait, I didn't hear the sound of this. I don't know. That's insane. I don't know why I didn't hear the sound of the winning thing. I gotta fix that probably. Okay, I hear it now. I don't know. So I decided I won't focus on UI at all. Probably we'll get some person who can design a nice UI after my game is done, so that, you know, they know perfectly what needs to be designed and how needs to be designed. Yo, KGFH. Why do you get so many coins? Oh, it is just like I added it for like to see the effect. I think someone just disliked the game. Yeah, it's okay. That happens. Please Starving Guitarist so I can cook everyone. It's not gonna come. It's I don't know how to make guitar on Roblox. I tried to find on internet, but I didn't find any guitar model as well. Like guitar scripting model. So yep, we're not doing that. Okay, so the next thing will be probably abilities, I guess. And I'm taking too much of a Blade Ball reference, I guess, with the UI and how to manage this. So let's see. There's like skills over here that'll need. Skills will be your abilities that you can choose to equip. And once you equip that, it'll probably show on the screen over here to equip it again. Let's join the blade ball a little bit. Did you understood the theme of this game so far, chat? Do you think it's gonna blow up? So skills. Okay, I'm gonna make it something like this. It is skills. So here is abilities, explosions, swords, and Robux that you can buy. Probably, I don't know. This is like shop, mainly. They don't have a different shop. All right. So this is how it goes. So I'm gonna have abilities. One thing. This will be owned section. This will be unowned section. You click something. It shows over here. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Because I guess, yeah, we're gonna design something like this. And then there's explosions. You see the details come up over here. Alright. You can equip that. Like I can equip this and it says equipped over there. Okay. I don't know what the flip this is. You can upgrade abilities as well. Oh my god, wait, that's a really good idea. I can upgrade abilities. Wow, okay, that's a perfect idea. That also I need to add. An explosion will be morphs. In my case, you can morph to something. And then probably will be the shop. Alright, wait, let me see how the upgrade thingy works. Upgrade 1, upgrade 2. So if I just upgrade this. Upgrade 1 owned, upgrade 2 is this. But where is the upgrade 3, lol? I click that. What the flip is going on? I'm gonna take this screenshot as well. 7. Alright, I feel like this game is gonna take some time to make. Do not blade ballify the game. No. We're not gonna do that. We just need like some kind of reference on how things should be done. I'm not gonna... I don't know, wait. So what does exactly mean blade ballify the game? Like, you mean like... My core concept is like this different. But I think so for UI and stuff, I think so I relate to Blade Ball very much. Like, I guess. I don't know if I'm correct. But yeah, let's see. Gotta work on some UI right now for the abilities and stuff. Or wait, should I work on the UI or should I actually make the abilities first? Should probably actually make the ability code first. Yeah, should actually make the ability code first. This is the hood. And... okay, it's okay. Make the abilities before the UI. Nice. Thank you so much for input. So we have abilities. Speed boost. Okay, we're gonna actually write down all this stuff first. Abilities details. First one we're gonna write as a speed boost. And it'll be like a level 1. Speed will be like a, let's say, whatever the default is, times 1.5, I guess. And level 2 will be times 2, I guess. Whatever you have. For some time. Times 2 will be tough. Let's see. We can code it as a hard code value as well. We'll see it later. But maybe if this is like for, let's say, 2 seconds, and this will be like for like 3 seconds. Okay. I feel like I'm designing flipping Clash Royale upgrades, lol. That's flipping fun. Second is jump boost. Jump boost. Jump boost level 1 is whatever your jump is times 1.5. And you have this ability for like, I don't know, for 1 jump or maybe 2 jump. 1 jump. And level 2 will be probably I don't know. Why do you want to jump more, lol? You probably don't want to jump more, right? So maybe times 1.5, but like you can do 2 jumps, I guess, in this ability. Maybe, I don't know, before cooldown. 2 stream abilities make 2 stream ability. Wait, what do you mean? Stream abilities. Invisibility slap. Okay. Invisibility. Oh shit. Invisibility. Let's say level 1 will be you can go invisible for like 5 seconds. And level 2 you can go invisible for like 8 seconds. Alright, I don't know. We can buff this later probably. Slap. Slap ability. I guess slap level 1. Is it like the slapping ability? Or how much time you carry the slap? Probably like throw, like hitting power probably. Let's say some hitting power, and you have this slap for like let's say 1 slap, and level 2 will be hitting power times 1.5 or maybe like 2 as well. And you have this ability for like 1 slap only, I guess. And then morph comes. First we'll tackle abilities probably. Give me exclusive ability on the stream. Oh, I see. Hi Choco, I know it's been a while since I haven't been on your stream. Bella, what's up? How you doing? Started making this game. Alright, so these are the abilities. Now, gonna just feed this into ChatGPT. Okay. These are the abilities I have planned to add in this game. Give the proper coding scripts to use this abilities, and also database and also we don't want that. Give a proper coding scripts to use these abilities. Assume for now that player owns all of it. So I will have a GUI where player can equip an ability. Player can equip one ability, one ability per round, and all the abilities will have cooldown, and you can use multiple times inside the round. I don't know. Let's just hit enter. I'm gonna go watch more clips of book dying. Book dying? What's that? This actually replies too fast, lol. This is a good moment to look like clean ability architecture because abilities touch movement, combat, cooldowns, UI, and anti-exploit. Below is a production-ready structure that fits your current round-based game and scales later when you add crates/ownership. Core design principles: important service, authoritative, client handles input. Abilities are data-driven, one equipped ability per round, cooldown based, reusable within round. Folder structure, ability config. Oh shit, okay. Ability config.lua and then speed boost, jump boost, this slab.lua. Remote event usability, service script, service ability service, starter player scripts, client ability controller, HUD controller, cooldown UI. Ability config, just data driven. What is this? Then why do I have speed boost.lua and stuff? Okay, let me get this ability. Replicator storage, abilities, ability config.lua, ability service, ability controller. And why would you give me this thing, lol? What is this speed boost.lua, jump boost.lua? What the flip? What the flip? Anyways, we're gonna add only... I'm gonna need some help for my... this game. The last one needed fast. After abilities, what will be the next thing? Probably UI for the shop thingy and stuff. Yesterday I realized I literally made the core loop, lol. Now it's just like assets and stuff. After abilities. Core loop is already done. Here it is. Okay. So this is just like config. Okay. Yo, Ro Gamer, what's up? Games Bacon Events 2025. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Yeah, I think so. This is okay. I was extended for 5 days. Nice. Welcome back. Ability service. What is ability service? Let's see. So if you activate speed boost, then this thing happens. If you activate jump boost, then this thing happens. If you activate invis, then this thing happens. If you slap, okay. Usability, public entry point, remote event. All right. I don't know if this is gonna straight up work. If this is work, then I have no words, man. This coding will be so fast with this if this entire thing just starts working, lol. Services, we gotta make a module script named as ability service. Service like this, put it over here. Let's actually go through the script. We don't like doing this import. Let's remove that. Abilities, ability config. I hope the spelling is right that I used. Okay, ability service. Ability service dot cooldowns. Cooldowns is player ability last use time. Okay. Speed boost player and level. Get character, humanoid. Config is ability config, speed boost, levels of that level, original speed, humanoid walk speed. This changes and task or delay. Oh wow, okay. Ability service jump boost. That's the same. Ability service invisible, player and level. Okay. So we make the character invisible. And after a delay, we make it visible. Wow. 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 I don't know if this will actually start working, lol. Slap. What is this? No, slap is like... Wait, this is like giving yourself slap, lol. Okay, that was nice. This is like giving yourself slap, like beating yourself. Are you kidding me? This is like slapping yourself, lol. Wait. We gotta fix that a little bit. We gotta give a slap tool to that guy. So we gotta make a slap tool by ourselves for some, yeah. For now, I think so we should just get a slap from toolbox. Anyways, we'll come back to it in a sec. Ability controller. Input plus UI. Wait a minute. Did it just... Wait, what? UI cooldown display. Wait, what is going on? HUD controller. Show cooldown radial / timer. Yeah, where is it? Ability controller. Ability controller. Equipped ability speed boost. Ability level. Cooldown. Ability controller init. Input began. Key code Q. Usability. Oh my god. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Hey, you know what? I don't even need equipped ability on the client. We'll have it on the server. We'll change it according to our needs. But we're gonna do ability controller over here, like module script over here, and this will be ability controller. Imagine if you're able to add all the abilities today completely. Bryce Miller, welcome to the stream. How you doing? Chad, you know what? I'm not gonna do like this. Wait, we're not gonna send equipped ability or ability level anything for this guy. We'll fetch it on the server itself of that player. Okay. UI cooldown display HUD controller. Okay, we gotta do some coding over here now. Let's remove this for now. The inputs. We don't need equipped ability and ability level over here. We'll need it in the ability service itself. Good, amazing. Amazing, man. Display. I'm gonna do this over here so you guys can see it. No. No. Alright, so ability. Use ability, okay? I will just take the player. Ability level and ability name and level will be coming in the picture in a bit, I guess. So probably we need to go to data service now. Player data over here. What ability do you own and what ability have you equipped? I need all of that thing over here now. So we have this as the module script. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna feed this over here into ChatGPT over here. And this is my player data. Can you modify it to have... Can you modify it to have... Happy birthday. Amazing. Have a good day, man. Have an amazing day. Modify it to have stored the unlocked abilities and equipped ability and also the level that the ability is unlocked to. Let's see if ChatGPT cooks. Let's see if ChatGPT cooks, chat. Let's see if ChatGPT cooks. Store abilities as a dictionary. Abilities. Oh, wow. Okay, that's great. This is much better than erase because, okay. Updated player data module. Player data. Alright. Wait, what is this? Ability data. Oh, okay. Huh. Okay, so we need ability data like this over here. Alright. And GPT tells us that abilities will be like this over here inside player data. Abilities will be like a string and ability data. Ability data is like level number. I can just add that over here, right? Like as a dictionary. Keyword will be level and the number. I don't know if I need more details about this in future. But it'll keep like this. I think so. Let's do it like this. It's fine. Equipped ability will be a string. And view entity. View entity. Oh shit. We don't need chairs. We don't need equipped chair. We don't need table. Oh my god. We don't need any of these BS. Defaults. Export default entity. What is that? Okay, over here. Okay, I need to change this now. Abilities. Speed boost level 1, jump boost level 0. Oh shit, no. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. Ready for future features? Wait, what? I can add XP to every ability to unlock? Nah, don't want to do that. Backwards compatibility tip. When loading old data. Data abilities is with data abilities or export table this. Equipped ability this or this. Okay. Equip ability data.equip ability equals to slab upgrade ability. Get level. Okay, there's one mistake over here in the default entity. In default entity, there is one mistake that what if player has not unlocked this ability yet? Should I just keep it to level 0 or not add it to the dictionary at all? This is ChatGPT masterclass. There's a correct answer, and okay. Do not use level 0. Okay. Do not add the ability to the dictionary if it's not unlocked. Do not use level 0. Presence equals unlocked, absence is this. Why level 0 is a bad idea? Using level equals to 0 causing problems. Is it locked, unlocked, or but usable? Level 0 is a state, not ownership. Why absence is equals to logged is best practice. Inventory systems, skill trees, example, abilities. This jump boost is locked, not present. Okay, clean, explicitly safe. Final correct default entity. Start with only unlocked abilities. I don't have any unlocked abilities. I don't know. Should I give... Yo, when you start playing Blade Ball, do you get anything for free over there? Or no? Do you get anything for free over there in Blade Ball? I think so. If I just give away one ability, I already have only 4 abilities. Check ownership. Okay. Get level safely. Okay. Unlock ability. Okay. UI logic becomes trivial. If ability data, then show unlocked UI. Else show locked UI. No special cases. Ability safe check. Future proofing. This is why it matters. All right. So we don't need this. And we probably don't even need this as well. So I don't have any abilities right now. Abilities over here, abilities over there. Now, okay, let this be like this for now. Player data. We come over here, usability. Okay. Usability. Now, I wanted to check, do you own this ability or no? Okay, I wanted to check, do you own this ability or no? First. Over here, ability name. I need ability name and level. Okay, so let's do like this for now. Let's do like this. Let's say I have ability name. Ability name will be a speed boost. Ability name will be the speed boost, I guess. And local level is equals to 1. Are you glad I'm back? Yeah, man, I am. How is your shifting going on? Is it complete? I've already started working on a new game. Yesterday was the first day. Yo, chat, if you're new to the stream, make sure to follow or subscribe, depending on your YouTube or Twitch. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right. So now Wait, so cooldowns, ability service cooldowns of the player. There's one big issue over here that I see. There's one big issue over here that I see over here. I should not do like this. Player and ability name? No. There's only one ability activation at the time. So we don't need to like more dig deep over there. But what if the player like leaves? It's not added over here that if the player leaves, clear the flipping cooldown data over there, like of that player. So I'll add it myself probably. Player service, player leaving, I guess. What? Leave. I start over here. Player removing. Okay, player service, player removing. Gotta add this and like this. We gotta do is this equals to nil. And why to save entire player object over there? Why just not user ID or something? I don't know. It's not. I feel like it's not like memory efficient. If you just save like dot user ID over here, it's much better, right? Or you know what? Flip it. It's fine. Player nil. All right. If you press Q, you will use the ability. Send the remote event over there. Okay. But we gotta init this controller. Ability controller dot init. Ability controller. We're gonna go over here and ability controller. We're gonna put HUD over here. Ability controller. In it. Let's see if we see any difference. Usability is not a valid member. Okay, let me fix that real quick. You know what? Maybe I'm gonna make another folder over here called as ability, and usability will go inside that. And over here like this. What if I press Q? Attempt to perform arithmetic subtraction on number and the table. On number and the table. 121. number and the table. Cooldowns of player now. Oh God. Okay, you can go fast. Oh my God, actually you can go fast now. Look. Oh my God, okay. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Attempt to index nil with cooldowns. Attempt to index nil with cooldowns. Attempt to index nil with cooldowns. Wait, what? Ability service line number 129. Attempt to index nil with cooldowns. Oh, wait a second, lol. My bad. I completely forgot that I need... Welcome to the stream side of gaming. Yeah, let's add like a thing over here, like, but ability service like this, and we just put this line over here. Function like this, layer removing layer. Yeah. Oh, I gotta use player service, player removing. I gotta use ability service, player removing. All right. Amazing. Amazing, chat. Amazing. Look at this. I press Q, walk fast for a bit, then go slow again. That is so amazing. I press Q, walk fast. That's amazing. That is amazing, amazing, amazing. Now. What will be the next thing? Probably I should go and make the Jacob. What's up? How you doing, man? Probably I should do I should make the GUI for shop now. A rough GUI. I'm pretty sure I'll have to hire somebody. I'm pretty sure I'll have to hire somebody for making this GUI nicer. Is this a Forsaken-like game? No. No. It's like a very unique concept for Roblox, but you can say it somewhat has this stealing feature in it. So you can say like very small percentage you get a feeling of stealing someone. So like steal a brain rot feeling, but there is no brain rot in this game, nor like exactly stealing like that. So that's the thing. That's the thing. You have Robux, a couple of Robux. So that's the thing. Okay, so next thing I should probably make the shop GUI. Yep, and we're taking some reference of Blade Ball. So maybe I should add a button over here and make it as this thing. Like abilities or something. Maybe just say skills. or abilities or whatever. But that's a later part. I actually have to make a shop GUI now. Let's use ChatGPT a little bit. Let's use ChatGPT a little bit. A little bit. So how do we do this? So now I want a centralized system for GUIs that when one GUI is open, one GUI screen is open, the other screens in the screen folder closes. Mainly like a UI controller. So give me module script to handle this, and also need structure. My first screen in screen folder is shop screen. Enter. How many Robux? I don't know. Haven't checked in a while. A centralized UI screen controller is exactly what you want once you have more than one screen. Shop ability, select, inventory, settings, and etc. Design goals. Only one screen opens at a time. So... okay. I won't have like a different button for shop ability and everything. Be only one GUI with more tabs in it. All screens are frames. Only main GUI is enabled/disabled. Oh, okay. Darkroom Studios, welcome Faded. How you doing? Making a clicker game right now? They can get popular, man. Clicker games are getting popular. All the best. So UI controller needs to go over here. I don't want it to be over there, chat. Any client script? Example shop button. Close button inside shop. Oh, wait a second. This is main GUI as a screen GUI, and inside there is a controller. Okay. I see what's up. Close button inside shop. Zone stack simulator. I see. My power and internet went out and I heard the front door open. It's okay, bro. Be strong now. You're grown up. UI controller require UI controller init and close button. Okay. Add screen lifecycle hooks. In your controller open. Okay. Animated transitions, screen stack, back button. That's so good. Model dialogues, input blocking, mobile safe areas. Okay, okay. Should the UI controller be in starter player scripts? Question mark. Okay. Also add animated screen transitions and bring navigation stack. Back button Nah, I think the back button will be too much. Flip it. Or maybe it's not bad if just ChatGPT gives it to me. Back button. I don't think I have much GUIs. But you know what? A back button would be nice, I guess. Also, back button to go to the last screen, I guess. Nah, that'll be too much. You know what? Let's not do that. Bro's cooked. Sugar, I heard screaming. Bro, it's okay, man. Just use ChatGPT now. Be a Sigma male for real, for real. Risk that hus, man. This is a joke, Chad. This is a sarcastic joke. That was funny, bro. That was so funny. Oh my god. This is exactly right time I'm gonna... Not in starter players is by default. Where should UI controller live? Best practice is okay. Why this is better than starter players? Because UI belongs to UI. Controller is tightly coupled to main GUI. Easier requiring auto cleanup. UI does, controller dies. UI does, controller dies. Rule of thumb: if it controls UI, it belongs inside the starter GUI. When should starter players be okay? You want one global UI brain. Multiple screen GUIs depends on it. Okay, fade, slide, smooth, will add smooth easing, no overlap bugs, cancel save screens. Alright. UI controller. Is this entire controller given to me? How to initialize? UI controller :init. Okay. But where to initialize? Put this one local script in main GUI. Alright, bro. I need another initialization as well. So we're gonna make this thing over here. Make a main GUI right now over here, like screen GUI. And make it ignore this. Reset on spawn. And name it as a main, I guess. And add a folder over here called as controllers or something. No, not a folder. Maybe like it's a screen. Screens, and they are all frames over here. Frame over here. I'm gonna name it as a shop frame. And we have a module script over here called as it's crazy how is this second day and we have progressed so much. I wasted a lot of time yesterday, otherwise it could have been like finished, lol. UI controller like this. Add it like this. All right. I added UI controller. Now they say to initialize this controller, I need a local script. Put this in one local script under main GUI. All right. Script.parent.controllers UI controller. I like modular coding now. I don't know. It's flipping fun. Okay, so we have that controller now. Now, where is HUD controller? HUD controller isn't flipping over here, lol. Oh no, man. HUD controller is over here, lol. Wait, maybe I need to put it over here then. Because, yes, that's so insanely bad then. Shit. Okay. Timer controller is over here then. Oh man, I don't know what's going on with me. We'll leave timer controller over here for now. HUD controller I moved over there. That means this HUD controller thing will go from here and to here. Of course, I can make it simplify and just add a for loop. You know what? Let's just do it right now. For underscore modules and controllers get children if is a module script require module. Okay, that's not it though. Require module and local module is equals to module import is equals to this. If module.init module init. All right, now I don't have to do all this BS. It'll automatically handle all this stuff. Automatically initiate all the controllers that I add over here. All right, I think so. That's good for now. Let's see if we have any errors. I'm pretty sure we'll have some errors. Give me mod. Okay, there must be errors over here because the money GUI is broken now. UI controller line number 34. UI controller line number 34. Player GUI main GUI. It's just main lol. I don't know. You know what? Just put it main over here, please. But that's not the thing actually. Oh shit. Okay, wait. So that's why the HUD controller never started. Okay, yeah, perfect. That's why the HUD controller was never started. I like that animation, and guess what? Purely generated by chat. Did you see that? So everything is working so far, I believe. Now we need a shop button that opens up this shop. How good of a shop we have. Okay, wait, I need handkerchief. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Let's make the shop. Let's make the shop GUI work. Okay, this will be a little bit coding heavy. Boring, honestly. I hate this. Absolutely hate this. I absolutely hate this. Man, this particular segment, I literally hate this. Just the shop coding. Because first of all, I'll have sections. And each section will have its own coding. So like, I don't know how to do it. You know what? I'm gonna just ask ChatGPT what's up. Okay, so now I have a GUI which we will call as skills GUI. It has tabs inside it. They are abilities, then morphs. Abilities, morphs, and abilities, morphs, and like a shop. Give me a control. Give me the controllers for this type of working in this GUI. Also give me folder structure of how to manage tabs in this GUI. Enter. This is a classic tabs inside a screen UI problem, and a clean solution is two-layer control. UI controller, tab controller. Oh shit, okay. Manages which screen is open. Skills, shop, HUD, etc. Tab controller. Inside skills GUI. Manages tab. Okay. Architecture overviews. Screen level. This is UI controller, skills, screen, tabs, internal switching. Wait, what? I'm so confused. What is this? Screen level. What is UI? What? UI controller is over here and the controllers over here. What it has to do with? And then tabs, internal. Okay, what is this? Okay, screens. Skills screen. Okay, it has tabs. It's a folder. Ability, and then that folder we have abilities, morphs, and shop. And tab buttons, abilities, buttons, morph button, shop button, and controllers. Tab controller.lua. Why would you put it over there? Now, how do you have to initialize it as well. Tabs live inside skill screen. Tabs controller belong only to that screen. Okay. UI controller stays generic and clean. Alright, how it works. UI controller opens skill screen. Tab controllers hide all the tabs. Shows default tab, abilities. Clicking tab button. Closes previous tab. Opens a new tab. Plays the animation. I love it. Tab controller with animation. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Imagine I have to write all of this stuff. Now I can just plug and play. How to initialize tab controller. Local script inside skill screen. Oh my god. Are you flipping kidding me? Wow, another local script over there. This is insane. I cannot. Hi Choco, first time viewer. Welcome to the stream. How you doing, man? I hope you enjoy your stay. I hope you enjoy your stay. So in screens, we'll have the skill screen. That'll be a frame. Screens will have a new we'll name it as skill screen over here. It'll be a frame apparently, and I need a folder inside this guy called as controllers like this, and make a module script inside this and put this inside here, and tab controller like this. What I'm making I don't think I'll be able to explain quite nicely yet. Once this progresses, you guys will be able to see this. Basically, it's the game where you gotta... I don't know how to explain this. I don't have like proper words to describe it. So I'm gonna wait a little bit until some things are visible as progress, and you can see it then. Tab controller.lua. Okay, other screens. Okay, we copied this. We need another script inside skill screen lol. Then what's the point of having the module script? I don't know. Just add everything over here then. I literally don't know. What's the point of having that? Alright, let's see what this thing has. Never mind. I guess we'll understand. So we'll have folders over here as tabs and tab buttons. Tabs ability just for frames, and tab buttons will be text button. Okay. Alright, so most probably we'll do like anchor point 0.5, anchor position 0.5, I guess. Yo, Cage, what's up? Making abilities right now. And we'll need that plugin, auto scale light. Wait, where did it go? Why is it scale text over here only? Where the flip the abilities go, lol? Huh? That's weird. I see. But anyways, I guess I'll keep it like that for now. Why is auto scale light showing only that particular options? Like, where is the other one? See, now it shows. What a bug. Mr. Nothing, what's up? Yeah, I'm making new game. I've been here the whole stream. I'm just ain't chatting much. Okay. No worries. 0.5. Just do it for now. It's fine, I guess. Or maybe, yeah. Okay. We need folders over here called as tabs. And those will have like frames, I guess. And the tab buttons over here probably like that. Okay, so this gotta be frames. And we're gonna say size 1 for now. Or should it be half? We're taking reference of Blade Ball a little bit. I think so. It should be half because I need this section as well, where you see details of whatever you click on. So this should be the framing, if you know what I mean. So let's just do like this. Scale and size X will be like 0.7, this much. This section will be the detail section probably. Okay, and we'll name this as abilities, like this. Just put a text for now to see if it's working or no. Text. And just name this as abilities. This is very like the part that I don't like to spend time in. It's like too time consuming making this GUI and stuff. Abilities, and make another frame and name it as morphs, I guess. Morphs like this. And make it like this. Morphs. And the third will be like shop. I'm gonna name it as like, yeah, shop. Gonna close these two, so we have this things right here. Make another folder over here, name it as tab buttons, I guess. And it's like a text button for now. No, it should be like a frame. And tab buttons is a frame, thank God. Yep, exactly. It should be frame. Wow. Okay. Frame. Name is tab buttons. And we're gonna put that frame over here like this. Okay, add a UI list layout and add a text button inside it, and scrolling, fill direction horizontal, size, let's say I need aspect ratio in this, and the dominant will be height, size will be 1 on Y, and this X will be like 1, just like this, and then we'll come over here. We can increase the aspect ratio like this. I think so, that's okay. These are the buttons that we have, and we're gonna name this as abilities button, s'mores button, and shop abilities button. Name it as abilities, and then just copy paste from here. So far, I would say ChatGPT, using ChatGPT is like I think so. I was not in major trouble because I knew that somewhere ChatGPT was wrong and I need to fix that. So I told ChatGPT that this is not the best way. Give me a different way or something, and it actually did. So far, I would say that my productivity is fast with this, I guess. I don't know. Dummy, what's up? First time shatter. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Okay, now we gotta see how tab controller actually switches the tabs. Bind buttons. So button.name gsub button. Oh, okay, just remove the button and probably then it just tabs out. It just removes the button and then find the tab over there. I think so this is gonna work now. Let me play test it. Actually, I messed up a little bit. Wait a second. Controllers is not a parent. Not parent. We don't need probably wait for a child. We'll have that. And let's see one more thing. The button to open this skill, right? So we need a button over here. Alright, so let's create that first. Over here we have this frame. Inside that frame, I'm gonna add another frame and put it over here like this, and make it like this for now. Add an image button, I guess. Or you know what? Right now, I don't think so. I have that much time for that. Like the UI and stuff. Yo, chat. Anybody can do UI like designing and stuff, or anybody knows anybody UI? Then let me know, man. Would like to work on this project for some percentages. If anybody knows anyone, then let me know, because I will want somebody else to do it. I don't want to do it myself. It's a thing which I don't know, man. It's not my cup of tea. The UI, it's just not. I mean, I can make it work. Everything. I can make it work. Everything. But the thing is that Wait a second. I put a text button. Okay, now it's okay. Now it's okay. I'm gonna call it as like skills. No one knows anyone who can make better GUI. Come on, shit, I need that. You're gonna position it a little bit inside. Say 0.01. It's a little. Yeah. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna probably highlight this button with some blue color. Like this. Okay, so that's fine. Chat, I will be right back. Oh man. Give me 1 minute. Give me a sec. I'm gonna be right back real quick. Give me a second. And this. Mm. Alright. We are over here. Skills over there. And we need to map the skill button with something. We need to map the skill button. Like when you click the skill button, something happens. I need to import UI controller now. In HUD controller. that makes sense. Should probably make a file, a dependency graph on what is dependent on what. Great coding AI tools that you can use except for ChatGPT since they're specific. Is it that Lemonade AI? Or something else? I need something for GUI, man. Scripting is like, alright. I need something for GUI, dude. I need something for GUI. That's where the thing is. Let's remove all the other tabs. So we have UI controller and HUD controller. I need UI controller in this one. Okay, let's import it. Dependencies. I think so. I press tab. Okay, never mind. Local oh wait, W autofill. Never mind. I should have a dependency graph somewhere made, honestly. Because what if I mess up in future? UI controller. Okay, so now shop button. Let me see what ChatGPT does. 1 second. Any client script? What if I need to use it in the HUD controller? Script.parent. Are you flipping kidding me, dude? That's crazy, dude. Okay, let's add this into HUD controller. Let's add this in the HUD controller. HUD controller is over here. We have the GUI which we get in init. It's a HUD GUI. So HUD dot frame. Shit, why it is named as frame, chat? No. Well, I guess we'll keep it frame. HUD.frame.skills. Okay. So GUI dot. No, this is not over here. It should be over here, lol. GUI dot frame dot skills. Maybe I can just like make it as an image button, right? Inside that you can fill all the decorations, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I should just be like just changing the size of this guy to this guy like this, and position of this guy to this guy like this, and even the anchor point not needed. Put it outside and remove this. Name it as skills like this. The skills mouse button went down. Codium, GitHub Copilot, and some VSC extensions. I see. Yeah, I thought I should have used flipping Copilot for this one, but it was a little bit too late. I didn't. I don't know. I tried Rojo last time to just learn it, not for an actual project, just to learn it, how to do it and stuff. And there was this thing I faced, that how do I flipping get my current project out from this Roblox Studio to VS Code nicely, rather than going like script by script and stuff. So that's why it was like this. I had already added some scripts over here, which... So yeah, man. That's where messed up. Like, I'd already started the scripts. I don't know how to export everything from Studio then. Otherwise, I was gonna go with the Copilot thing, honestly. Now, for the next project, I'll try. Audio controller. Is it colon play? Audio controller, yeah, colon play. Do I have a click sound? I don't. You know what? Let's get a nice clicking sound. This is a whole video for the tutorial for Rojo and stuff. Yeah, I'll try to do it next time now. Or do you recommend me doing it right now for this one? At least I should watch a video so I get to know what's up. Later, since base project is better to set up than this project right now. I see. Yeah, alright. Work on my project meanwhile. Enjoy. Have a good one. Thanks for joining the stream. Appreciate it. Oh, there's an S missing over there. That's why. What game are you making? Type of game you making? I'll say here, don't worry. I appreciate it. Thanks so much, man. Did you see that animation? Damn, not found morphs in shop. Alright. Bro, ChatGPT cooked with that, bro. Animation was so flipping nice. I don't know. That was insane. Tab controller. What are they saying? Morphs. So I need this exactly named as button name. MORPHS. Okay, that's funny. Because I have it like that. Bind buttons, right? Open tab name. Tab name is you remove the button over there. So you remove the button from abilities. Tab not found morphs in shop. What do you mean? Where are you looking at? That's crazy. Morphs is right there. Tabs folder. Where is tabs folder? Is a screen. Wait for child tabs. Did you not get it? Oh, that looks like some issue going on over here. Tab controller init. You need to give skill screen the frame. Okay, which I probably don't have. Oh no, I have given it. Alright. Then what's up? I mean, it comes over here too. And it says tab not found morphs and shop. That is funny. Tab not found. Morphs. Tabs folder. It is there. MORPHS. Then definitely this tabs folder is wrong. You know what? I can just print it out, I guess. Hide all the tabs initially. Print tabs folder, get children. Chat. Did you see that flipping animation of the flipping GUI? Look at that. Sexy, dude. Tab not found morphs and stuff. This is insane. You are literally printing this. Abilities, morphs, ABILITIES. How the flip? What? No, chat, I cannot. What is going on? No, seriously, I printed out the children's of tab folder and it says it cannot find this. It's literally the same spelling. ABILITIES. How the fuck? This is happening. You know what? I have a better idea. Oh, I see what's up. This stupid has a space bar over there. That's why. Wow, that was insane. I was gonna remove the button part and give the exact same name. But anyways. Oh my god, it has a flipping transition as well. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you see that? Bro, that is next level BS. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, we need a cross button over here now to close everything. Okay, we need a cross button now. Over here. A close button. Yo, chat, if anybody knows a flipping GUI designer, please let me know, man. I think so. That is the thing which I cannot do myself at all. Like, I don't know, man. This would just not work out. But don't worry. That's not gonna stop me from publishing this game. That's not gonna stop me from publishing this game. That's not gonna stop me from publishing this game. That's not gonna stop me from publishing this game. All right. Let's keep it like that. But the size. 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 How do I... I think so. That's good. Okay, one sec. I literally forgot. Tab buttons. This. And all the tabs like this. W extension, dude. Crazy extension over there. Magical extension. All right, we have the close button now over there. We gotta code it. We gotta go to tab controller, I guess, or no? Oh shit! No, not tab controller. We don't have a controller for shop yet. Wait, that's only the tab controller. Wait, that's only the tab controller. We don't have a shop controller, right? And now I want the script that manages the tabs inside the skills GUI. The first tab is the abilities and manages the tabs and manages the inside of tabs inside skills GUI. The first tab is abilities, so it should show all the abilities unlocked at the top and all the locked at the bottom. That's one thing. In morphs the same way, and shop has bunch of purchase options. Where this coding should be done A shop controller, a skill controller, or what? Skill controller, question mark. Wait, I already... what all controllers do I have already? HUD controller, UI controller. Bro, I love this so far though. Wait, did I code the cross button first? No, I'm confused where the cross button should go. Does it go in the like a tab controllers? I think so that's okay if I just put it in the tab controller. Open, get current, tween out, tween in. Whatever. Or maybe I'll just get the shop controller first. Let's see how it goes. Yes, you're thinking right direction. This should be handled in tab specific controllers, not by the global tab controller. You want 3 layers, each with a single responsibilities. Oh my days. Flip this. Screen switching is HUD skills shop. UI controller. Yo, see ya, Java guy. Thanks for joining the stream, man. UI controller, skill screen, tab controller. We have tab controller over there. Yeah. Then we have tabs over here, which is abilities. Oh, shit. Okay. Ability controller. Morph controller. Shop controller. Each tab owns its own logic. Recommended folder structure, very important. Skill screen has tabs, abilities. This is a frame, I guess. It all has a folder named controller now. Yeah, that's crazy. Where should the coding be done? Not in tab controller, only switch tabs. UI controller only switches screens. Okay. Honestly, I should put these controllers in a special place in the controllers folder over there. I don't want to put abilities controller abilities and this controller and that, this controller and that. That's kind of, no. Each controller reads player data, builds UI dynamically, handles clicks, equips, and purchases. Ability tab design. Unlocked abilities at the top, speed booster. Locked abilities, dash. Ooh, dashing is a good one. I did not add dash yet in this one. Let's add the dash actually too. Dash and how do you do this? Dash level 1 will be distance probably. This will be distance dependent maybe. Like let's say 9 studs dash. And level 2 will be 10, 11, 12 studs dash. Okay, it'll be like 1 use though. One use and 1 use. I think so. That's good. I will keep it like that. Alright, let's go back to GPT over here. Ability controller, core logic, ability controller. Are you flipping kidding me? Okay. All abilities. Ability controller. This is the worst part of this, man. This is taking so long. I'm not even coding the gameplay right now. Frame and data, player data. Okay, unlocked list, logged list. Template, ability template. Okay. UI build. Okay. Create ability. Okay. Equip. Okay. Unlock. Okay. Clear. Okay. How to initialize it? Local script inside abilities tab. Are you moron? Bro, this is insane. I cannot. Oh, this is insane. I mean, I get it, but like, no, this is insane. I'm not adding in a flipping ability and make a controller folder over there. That's what I want to do at all. Wait a second. How about I put this tab controller from here inside the controller then? I'm gonna say skills tab controller or something. This is bad. Like the other scripts are like getting scattered more and more. See, ChatGPT thing is like, no. I want to keep it at one place, the controllers. This is getting scattered everywhere. It's telling me more and more local scripts are being consumed. No. This local script is all good for initializing, I guess. So you know what? We're gonna flipping do this. We're gonna flipping put this tab controller inside this controller now. Flip it. We're gonna remove this. And we're gonna see if everything is working. And yeah. I'm gonna name it as a skills tab controller. Skills tab controller, like that. Let me see if everything is working fine. Skills tab controller. Attempt to next nil with wait for child. Oh shit. You can't initialize it like that. Oh god. Wait. So you need the skill screen over here, which is a frame. We can make it like skill screen is equals to skills is not a valid member of folder main screens. Oh my god, wow. Of course the cross button is not working yet. But okay, since this much code works, alright, we can move on now. Okay. We're gonna name it as init GUI. Yeah, we're just gonna name it as init GUI controller. I'm gonna leave it like that. Flip it. Now in the tab controller, we're gonna add this as well. In the init folder, we're gonna add this as screen dot close dot mouse. Wait, what? Why is it not autofilling, bro? Kill screen is here, screen is there. I'm doing close over here. Dot. Why is it not autofilling? I don't understand. Like the. Ow, I don't understand. What the fuck, dude? Not screen dot visible. Okay, wait, not like this. Wait. Not like that. We need UI controller probably. In this. Oh god. UI controller needs to be imported every flipping where, lol. Of course, its job is like that. UI controller. And UI controller colon close. And we'll name it what? Skill screen. That's what the name is. Sorry for the background noise. Oh my god. Lovely. Did you see that? We'll need audio as well. How cool. We need audio controller as well. Alright, now it looks great. Now, at least this much would work. Now we need to worry about the abilities thing. This is what I was like. I didn't like when I was making this Eat It Fast game as well. It's kind of pain. But look at this so far. Open skills, close skills. Animation is flipping crazy over there. I cannot. Okay, this tab changing thing, right? Bind buttons, button click, audio controller. Come on, autofill it. I know you can. Thank you. It's crazy. I'm not using my brain for logic right now. Just trying to make what ChatGPT gave me work. And look at that. We have the skills GUI over here. Tabs working as well. Now we need that it shows something. Now we need that it actually shows something over here in these abilities section and stuff. So we have ability controller over here. I'm just gonna grab this and make another controller over here and name it as ability controller. Ability controller like this. And All abilities. Speed boost, max level 2, jump boost, invis slap. In it. Ability controller in it. Frame data. Unlock list. Tab frame. Wait for child. Unlocked list. Logged list. Template. Tab frame. Render. Create ability. Parent name level unlocked. There's a level and action button text. Equip or unlock. Okay. If action is this, then this. Okay. And then equip does something like this. Unlock does something like this. But what about the remote event log? I gotta add that myself. But I need the data log. I need the data of this thing now. Let's do that. Let's try to get the data on the client and then move on. This is the tough part. Once we tackle this, then I think so the rest things will not be that difficult. I mean, this is not difficult. This is just like, you know. There are multiple ways to do it. And I just want to do it in the best way. Okay. So when the player joins, I have... You know what? This ChatGPT thread is getting laggy now. And I guess I'll F up if this goes on like this. It's already starting to get laggy now. Look at that. Oh shit, the lag has already begun. The more I play in this thread, the more it lags. Oh my god. I'm gonna be so much in trouble now. Should have flipping set up the Copilot. This will be tough. Alright. So now the data is loaded on on server when the player joins. What is the best way to send proper data to client so that it can load the shop, the abilities and other GUIs. You know what, chat? My brain is right now cooking. I don't mean cooked. So let's take a little bit of break and let's play a game of Clash. Oh, I forgot. I might lose the game because I'm at the top of my trophy range. I mean, my levels. Now ChatGPT is lagging, bro. This thread also lagging now. Wow, I can't do this now. I need to go to new thread now. Oh, God. I mean, the single scroll lags like fuck, dude. Are you serious right now, chat? Okay, this will be the last question. I do it in this thread. This will be the last question. Last question I do it in this thread. Might have to change it. But the new thread won't have any context. Shit, dude. New thread won't have any context. Copilot does the same thing, by the way. Wait, it starts to lag like this? Even with the scroll? No, I think so. Bro, I think so. Copilot lags when you ask him the question. It takes time to reply to you. This is not taking time to reply to me. It's just this website is broken. Look, I press over here. It's lagging. Like, I'll type, okay, 1, 2, 3. Look how much delay is that to like show the word when I click over here. Like, this is insane. Like, this normal client side thing lags. That's crazy, bro. Normal client side thing lags is insane. I don't know what the flip is going on. This is the worst part of the entire game, I would say. The shop thingy. Like, manage that. I don't know. I like more server-sided coding. I'm gonna lose, by the way, because I'm at like peak right now of my trophy range. I know I'm gonna lose. And it's over-leveled person as well. Oh god, why? Why over-level people, dude? Wow, level 14 goblin battle. What else I can get? Amazing. You know what? Just fucking take it. Just fucking take my tower. I don't want to play the game anyways. I don't want to. I'm not interested in playing with over-level people at all. Okay, let's read what ChatGPT gave us. This is insane, bro. $1 billion website. More than billions. I mean, billions of dollars. All right. Initial data snapshot once delta updates. Okay. Client keeps a local copy, listens for updates, feeds data into GUI controllers. Overall data flow, data store, player service, remotes, client data controller, required remotes, player data init and update, server side after loading, send snapshot. Okay. Great. Then delta changes, example this things. Okay. Example ability unlock, type ability level 1, client side data controller. I need a data controller that takes this thing and fires something. Fire something. Apply update. Self-starter abilities, ability update. Bootstrap client.lua ability example. King Dice, welcome to the stream. How are you doing? So I use ability controller inside data controller? Shit, okay. Why is this the best approach? Alright, I know what to do now. It's the same thing I did last time for this game. Let's play one game of Clash again. And then go to the studio. And flipping fix it. I think so now I know what to do. It's just gonna take a little bit of time. But hopefully, okay, another over-level people, man. Why the flip I'm facing over-level people? Oh my god, Exbo abuser is here. And he logged on the tower too. That is insane. These people, I swear to god, chat. Alright, can we like break through? I hope he don't have elixir, man. I hope he gets some damage as much as he did, bro. Come on now, man. One more. Shit, okay. Let's go. He's gonna probably Expo. We're gonna zap him. If we're gonna put another Expo. I mean, he's probably thinking that I won't have elixir. No, he probably wants me to spend all the elixir. Okay, shit. Nah, never mind. We're gonna take this guy over here. I'm gonna put this over here. I'm gonna take that archer damage, I guess. Yes, that's fine. We can't afford more over here. He's probably gonna put an X-bow soon. That'll be a little bit bad. Oh, wow. Wait, do some damage on the tower. Wait, we can win this game, chat, I feel like. Oh, shit. I wasted elixir over there. Let's go. That X-bow is not going to do damage on me. Plus, I'm going to go in a little bit. All right, Evo archers over there. That's going to completely annihilate everything or what? Okay, let's go. We take the tower. I'm going to win against a higher level guy. Let's go. W. He's level 13 and I'm level 12. Now I just got to defend for a minute. I don't even need to attack over there. Just got to defend for a minute. Put everything back over here. Whenever elixir gets full, just put everything in the back. He's gonna probably go X-bow as expected. He's stupid, lol. Can just put everything over there and nothing is gonna work out for him, lol. Okay, we're gonna add some pressure on this lane. And he fireballs. He has no elixir now. That is gonna take his tower. And he has a knight. Oh my god, we're gonna 3-crown this guy like this. Shit, buddy. That's sad, bro. What a over level over. And he goes X-bow over there. That is insane. Totally. We love these kind of games. You see how I didn't want to play against a high level person. But if I kept going on, I won. I mean, because I kept going on, I won. That's how it is. Just keep going on, chat. W motivation speech over there. Get out of the clash. Our mind is refreshed now. We're gonna go over here and eat it fast. And we're gonna get the controller that we had over here. Like profile controller. Alright, we're gonna go over here and paste it over here. File controller. Like this. Okay. 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 Now this is gonna be exciting now. Profile controller. No. Let's remove all the tabs so that we can focus on what we need to add. Now we need this view entity over here. Okay. View entity will require all the abilities that the player has. Okay, so it'll be abilities like this or how it'll be like abilities like this. And maybe I need to put this over here. Like I don't know. Okay. And equipped ability as well. Yeah, we need this much in the view entity. Now we need to make the view entity just like how we did for this game. I'm gonna find that place where I did it over here in the data manager. And we need to do the same thing over here as well. Alrighty, and fix data. We don't need to fix the data. After this thing over here, we need to make this thing. Send data to client. Okay. Abilities like this. Abilities. Equipped ability is equals to equipped ability like this. Remove this. So this is what we're gonna send to client over here in the profile controller. This is what gonna come to us over here. Data will come to us over here. And we don't need to do this right now. We don't need to do shop controller as well for now. Shop geo. Let's get rid of all this extra stuff for now. And we probably gonna get rid of this for now. And okay. All right. We need these two remote events now. Folder, profile snapshot, initial data and profile updated. Initial data and profile updated like this. And we don't need any of these things over here for now. We just gotta print profile controller.data for now, so that we can just see that the data is coming over here on the client. Okay. Let's see if we have any errors. Oh, we will have error because a lot of things are crazy right now. Shit. Wait. So like remotes dot profile snapshot. Okay, now that's okay. Over here we have ability controller. Attempt next nil with wait for child. Ability controller. Wait, we have two ability controllers. Shit. Ability use controller, I'm gonna say. This one and ability controller is over here. Now this one, see, what if I just disable this for now? Like, don't use it for now. I just want to see that the data is coming. Okay, I'm gonna just throw it somewhere in the sound service. All right, hopefully that doesn't make any error. Ability controller is not a valid controller. Shit. Okay. Player scripts client controllers. Line number 4. Wait, what? Oh, okay. I just changed the name. That's why. I was like, wait, what is going on? Okay. So... No, wait. Where is the flipping print on the client? Wait, you know what I just realized? There's one thing. Wait, where is the print on the client? But now I'm facing mental pressure that tomorrow I won't be there. Wait, tomorrow I'll be there, but day after tomorrow I won't be there for some days. Man, I want to finish this game. Ceramic seal a brain rot. Brainer already exists. Make something which is not there. Why did the profile controller did not begin? Oh God. Why are you so like this? Why is this like this, Shad? You know what? Wait a minute. I need this inside here as well, because this is unacceptable. Okay, script.controller. Straight up. Module script required. Okay. Module import. If module in it exists, then do it. It's much better. I don't want to initialize every single flipping module over there. Profile controller. Replicated storage. Okay. Profile controller. Wait a second. Data manager. Go over here and no, wait, not here. Player service. Go to the bottom. And make this 2 seconds, I guess. This 3 seconds is a little too much. Profile controller. And we need this remotes. Sadly, I have different words used in different games. But anyways, it's faster than I could make my first game. Than I would make my first game, you know. Alright, so now we have the ability data on the GUI. How cool. Shop opens. This money GUI. Amazing. A lot of GUI work today. Okay, now the thing needs to happen that I have this controller over here, which is called as ability controller. Hey, never mind, I didn't put it yet. Oh wait, I had put it. I just flipping, yeah. Now I can put this back at its place over here, ability controller. Okay. And this is where it tells me what to do. GUI controllers. Data controller changed render. Bootstrap. Don't have init for this. Don't have init for that. Wait, do I need init for this, or will it be like firing 2 times for some reason? The profile controller, like I just attach these remote events. So if I import this ability controller like 2 times, will it be like bad? Maybe, I don't know. Could be, honestly. Shit. We'll keep it like that for now. Okay. Self.data changed buyer. Update.type and update. That's a remote event fire over there. Like, I don't know. GUI controllers. Data controller. Data.changed.event. What? Why would you put that in the data controller itself? What's the point of that? Change type. Change type equals init, and our change type is ability unlocked. And ability controller render. Okay, let me study ability controller a little bit. All abilities, player data, abilities, ability name, create ability, equip, unlock. Man, I swear I hate this part of coding. Unlocking the abilities and stuff. Gotta do a lot of part over here, like the GUIs and everything. Yeah, okay. Oh, how do we do this? At first, every ability will be like logged. Okay. So, all abilities. I don't know why I need this over here, or it should be like in the abilities section over here. There is something I actually made, ability config over here. This are all the abilities. Right. So all abilities actually can be actually come from ability config. So imports local ability config is equals ability config is equals to replicated storage abilities ability config. It returns this table. So it'll be already in this. Okay. So all abilities is that. Name and config over here. Equip ability. Render. Unlock ability name is equals to 1. Okay, my mind is effed up right now, Chad. I'm sorry, but I think so. I need a little bit of break. Once I tackle this GUI task, I'll be so fucking done, man. Am I in trouble for this? What's up? Hikaru Nakamura battles against Magnus Carlsen's speed. What is Penguin up to? Haven't seen him in a while. This Marvel Rivals drama is nuts. Faster demanding 10k for everyone. Robots are addicted to getting hit by trains. What the flip? Are you serious? C++ game engine developer. Wow. It's crazy how people are still there like these that they can do this. We won a hackathon building an app in 24 hours. I want to see what they made. It's probably gonna be something like medical app. I don't know why I have a feeling like that.
How you doing? I mean, it's the first. I thought you were from London. Nope. Oh, so, yeah. To disable that, I think. I'm a young.
What are you making, bro?
Oh, where's my lanyard? Yeah.
What are they even making?
Spent about 3 hours coming up with ideas and just brainstorming. Yeah, no, we've taken history and applied it to GeoGuessr. So we're going to be guessing historical periods and their location on top of it. So I'm going to open up the game now, and if anyone is joining, please just enter the code up on top.
We need something to guess. Where is that?
Yeah, we got country or we got one over there. Where is it? Where? Bosnia. Yeah. And does anyone know the time period? Anyone want to shout out a date? Any? 1914. There we go. So we'll see some users now putting their answers in, and we've got a live feed that's in real time using our WebSockets. And so you'll actually see an updated version of the score. So we can see some people putting answers in there, so we've got some really nice high scores. And yeah, in terms of future, like looking forward, if we had a bit more time, what we really wanted to do was scrape actual images and topics from Wikipedia, so that basically people could put in a prompt into the front. Say if the teacher wants to talk about, let's say, ancient Egypt, we then pull relevant images and tags. We have an amazing front-end dev here.
Hi everyone, so for our tech stack, for the front end, we use CSS.
All right, enough dopamine. Let's go back. Ability controller is kind of cooked right now. I think so. I need to better ability controller. That's what we need to do. This is the worst part of this. Let's break down our task into smaller and smaller pieces. First, let's complete the little bit of ability thingy. Okay, how it would look like. Let's go and make some GUI so things gets more clear. This is where we are kind of lacking GUI. Tabs, abilities over here. We need 2 sections over here. First one will be like the abilities visible over here, and it's be like logged over here. Okay, there'll be like a text label. Probably gonna put over here and name it as like logged or something. All right, and be like this probably. I keep it over here like this. You know what? Probably add like a UI list. No, wait. Add a scrolling frame over here, which takes up this much. Okay, and this will be like unlocked frames. Oh my god, I can't type. Unlocked frames. And this will be the text label of logged. And then we'll have one more frame over here, which will be of logged entities. Alright. Logged abilities, I mean. We're gonna put that over here like this. Gonna put it like this. Honestly, I would say instead of doing like this, I should be like making a UI list layout over here in the abilities frame instead of like this. A UI list layout would be the best thing to do, but since we did it without that, let's keep it right now without that. Okay, look at that, not bad. Now in the unlocked section, we probably should create a frame or something. And of course, we'll need like a UI grid layout or list layout probably. We gonna add like grid layout probably. We have this frame over here. I'm gonna just go like give a yellow color to this guy for now. And we need to give the size of this thing such that the canvas size of this guy is like automatic, and it's only possible if we give this pixels size properly. So cell size, I don't know how will we do this. Let me add some more like these. It definitely gotta be more bigger. So maybe we can increase the size to like 0.6 in Y like this. Alright. Yep. But now the problem is this will look very small over here. So this is the issue when depending on pixels. Now, I'll be very honest, I have no idea how to fix this. How do I fix this, chat? Like the size of this. I need to give like scale size probably. I mean, I can do it in the X direction, but how to do it in the Y direction? Finally, after 1 hour, my command bar script works. It just gets you rigs with accessories. Ooh, I see. Are you making something like something related to avatar game, like you can customize avatar and stuff. Let's make this 0.33, I guess, or maybe gotta do 0.32 in the X direction. But what about the Y? This is where I flipping don't get this. UI aspect ratio. Should I put that over here? How will it work out? I don't know. I think so that works like that as well. But the problem is that this won't auto. Oh wait, it is auto expanding. Fuck. What is the solution then? But wait a second, no. Dominant axis is width, and width is 0.32 on the X size. Oh shit, okay. Wait. Oh wait, this is working. Huh? Let's go. This is what I wanted. I don't know how the flip this is working, but it does. So we gonna not complain about it. No, but I'm making units for my tower defense game. Ooh, I see. New bacon shorts. Yep, I'm making the new game. This is the new game. Horizontal scroll bar in set always. Scroll bar trans 9.3, I guess. Alright, I think so. That's looking good. Oh my god, okay, I did not expect that it'll look good. Of course, I literally have to hire somebody to flipping make this UI nicer. I don't know. Ability frame. Okay. It'll have like maybe a text label, I guess, for now, I'm gonna say. And you're gonna give it a size of like this, like 0.5 over here. Button Montserrat bold, I guess, and the ability name, I guess, I'm gonna say ability name like this. Transparency 1. Text color probably white. Then the background will needs to be like kind of dark. I'll be honest, chat. GUI thingy, I need someone to do this. It's not my cup of tea over here. UI padding. Add like 5 pixels everywhere. Okay, and then a button. Then actually 2 buttons. First add this 1 button over here. Make this size as probably like 1 on the X. Y. Probably like 0.4 or something. And just say like EQUIP equip. This still looks good, better than my UI skills. Dang. Background transparency 1, text color white. Font Montserrat bold. Alright, you know what? We need some background in this actually. Need some dark. This sucks. I hope somebody comes and fixes this later. I hope I can get somebody on the thing. You know what? I'm not that rich, so I can't spend money actually. So I need someone to like be on the percentage cut, or maybe like, you know, I don't know. Just wanting to work on this game, and if this game gets famous, then they take the payment. Otherwise, they don't. I don't know. Maybe someone who just trying to build a portfolio or something. space on the right should be used for the description and the equip stuff instead of mashing everything into one thing. Space on the right, this thing should be used. Space on the right, probably this thing. Oh, I mean, I can just make it like big, lol. It's okay. I can just make this big then 0.6. Boom. Yep. That also works. On the GUI, this one? Yeah, that'll be for the description. That space is for description and stuff. Yep. This space will be like item description when you click that. Oh, wait a second. That means that this ability frame also needs to be like a button then. Then you should add the equip button there. Oh wait, that's true. Wait, that's actually flipping true. Shit, okay. I'll remove this. Wait, you're actually right. Thank you, dude. That was much helpful. I don't know right now then. Just make it size 1 then. Alright, just flip it. That's okay. And boom. This will be the description. Actually, that's how it was supposed to be as well. Okay, so then over here, it'll be items description. It'll be the image, name, description, and a button. See this button frame. So I'm gonna click that and put it in the logged as well, I guess. Like this. UI grid layout, put it like this. And canvas size like 0, automatic Y, scrolling direction, Y bar, this, transparency. What I was using for this one, 0.3, make it 0.3 over here as well. All right, there we go. Exactly like the photo. Yep. Yep. So this is a skills screen, which is like this much part. Oh, wait a second. Okay, tabs, abilities, and we'll have like another frame over here. It should be like over here, then like this, this, and like this. All right. Position 0.7, size x.3, y1, 0. Let this pop up. This will be the frame of description, whatever is displayed over there. This will have some stuff like the photo and the name, the description, and buttons. So right now we'll have like we'll add the photo later. We'll add the text label over here. Ability name like this. Text scaled. I just want to get this working, man. I'll work on GUI some other day or something. Want to get this thing done. Ability name. This will be ability. No, this will be like a item name. Then description over here like this. This is scale. This is also like scale. Description like this. This will be like big, and there'll be like some buttons. Then you know what, should add like a flipping UI list layout actually. And padding on the top. Alright, that's fine. And then more stuff like text label, not text label. Add a text button that'll be called as equip button. EQUIP equip. Just make a placeholder that can work without much stuff and leave it till you're about to finish the game. Yep. Let's do like the text scaled. Montserrat bold. Make it like that. Background. We'll need some background. Let's make it like some green color. Text white maybe. Let's make it a little bit darker green like this. And there'll be more stuff over here. One will be unlock. When you are in the equip thing, EQUIP equip, there'll be one more button over here which will be called as upgrade. If upgrades is possible, you get an upgrade like that. There'll be one more button called as unlock. Okay, upgrade. Make this something like orange or something, I don't know. And this will be unlock. Unlock like this. And go over here, give out some padding, maybe like 5. All right. Shit. Okay, we are doing some progress. Let's go. Ability frame. Ability frame. Ability frame. Now the main part, ability controller comes. I think so this is good enough. Now the main part is ability controller over here. Use the equip button as the unlock one. Since you can change the image and stuff and it won't really matter with increased performance. Use the equip button as unlock. I mean, it's fine. It's fine. It's just like, it's okay. Let it be different for now. Ability controller. Now this coding over here. How do we make this? How do we make this right now? How do we make this? That's the question. How should the coding be done? I'm getting my data in profile controller data over here. I'm getting what abilities are unlocked and what abilities I have equipped. I mean, equipped right now, one single ability. So now what I gotta do? Wait a minute. This is not okay. What's going on over there? Oh no! I just realized I messed up. The UI is not over chat yet. Oh man, I gotta do something about it. Sheesh, this is not good. The more I add over here, it's gonna change the size of it. No, wait. Somehow it's working. But wait a second. Why is this behaving a little awkward than this logged GUI for some reason? Everything is same over there, like above. Everything is same. I just copy pasted it. Oh wait, is the inset. Scroll bar inset always. No, it's still not that. You know what? Just copy this and name it unlocked like this. Position this. Don't even need to, guys. Size 1. Oh, wait a second. Oh, it's because of the size. Sheesh. All right. Nah, let it be like this. Wait. Wait, delete this. Oh wait, what am I doing? Wait, let me just go back a little bit. So what am I doing? Don't copy that. This is unlocked. Unlocked one is the correct one. That's what I need. Okay, remove this. Wait a second. I am so confused why this is like this. Unlock 0. This will be like layout order 1. And logged will be layout order 2. Alright. Now the unlocked one which I have is something which I want. Make it 1. Like this, make it like this. Now if we just, oh sheesh, man, that's not okay. That's not okay. That is not okay. Okay, we gotta balance this out. Gotta balance this out. Dominant axis is width. So 0.32 is the width. What do I need to do? Like make it 2x over here, then it'll work out? I don't know. Not over there again. Sheesh, I'm so not okay. What if I make this like 2? No, not like that. 2 like this. And then if I just change it like this. Okay, we fixed it. See, that's how it should be. Perfect. Perfect, I guess. Now. Great. Great. No. Wait, no, actually. Why does this looks bigger than this? Or maybe is it same? I don't know. Is this bottom actually the same length? Like, I don't get it. How do I measure that? I think so, it is same. Flip it, is this my visuals are bugged? Okay, hopefully this stays like this even if we... Can somebody explain what's going on? With this ability GUI over here. Like, look at this. Then it adds the fourth one, but over here, it doesn't want to compromise at all. Now it starts compromising. So there is something going on over here. What game are you making? Oh, it's kind of complicated to explain right now. But it'll be a round-based game where the round starts, people spawn your round starts, and we're gonna do something over here. You will understand probably by the next stream or something. I don't think I'll be able to explain much right now. What the flip? Fixed fit within max size, aspect ratio 1. This is exactly the same thing, right? Nothing changes over here. With this one, is this absolute size difference? And this too, in the locked one. So if I just make this as 2 over here, will it behave the same then? I don't know. You see that? That's kind of... I don't understand why that thing happens. Like, this has 4 items now, and this has only 3. Why? Why? Is it something like just rendering issue? No. After ads ended, guess what? We got a dislike on that. Bro, chat, man. I can't understand. What the flip, man? Is it the size issue for some reason? Like, they gotta be the same length. Then do it like that. Let's do it like that. Flip it. Size 0.45. Then 0.1 remains, right? For the text label. Alright, let's see now. Now they have equal sizes. Okay, so that was the issue. Thank God we fixed it now. They need equal sizes for some reason, which doesn't make sense because it completely depends on the size of the width, not the height. Width is the same. But anyways, flip it. Works now. We're gonna move now. Thank God it works. Yeah. Resize plugin. do you need me to make anything for your game models because I'm in studio right now? Thumbnail. Thumbnail. You are the thumbnail guy. You are the thumbnail guy. All right, we'll leave this GUI over here. I think so it's working now. And look at this, like this as well. W. Not really sure what your game is supposed to be at the moment. I need an idea of what it should be. Like what you're supposed to grab. Honestly, I gotta decide as well what you're supposed to grab right now. What do you think, Chad? What it should be? I was like, maybe, you know what, just like bottles. Like, I don't know, I was thinking bottles, but bottles doesn't make sense. Maybe I'll make it like gold and silver. That's what I think. Coins from the center. So see, if I give you an idea of what my game is, it's exactly like something like it's exactly the reel that I showed you. I don't know what is supposed to grab. I think so you should grab like gold and silver. That'll be like make sense. I don't know. Brain rods. You know why I don't want to do that? Because every single brain rod game you see, you like collect brain rods. You know, every single famous game, you like collect your brain rods. In this game, there is nothing like you like how do I say this? You don't like make your indexing and stuff of brain rods. Like you got this, you got this, you got this. And even if I add it in this game, then I need to make that you can show that to people or something, you know. Right now, I don't have something like, you don't have your base where you can show I have this, I have that, I have this, I have that. I don't know. And they don't make money for you. It's just like, it's like blade ball. Think of it as a blade ball, like a competition. You get just credits out of the competition and like fun of stealing from somebody else. Like, I don't know. It's not like you collect something. So no brain rots, I think so. Or maybe I can have a round. You know what? I think so brain rots is worth trying. People might like it. Maybe I can have a round where it's like brain rots you collect. So, you know what I'm thinking right now? It'll be different things that you can get from the center. At least what I think right now. But it'll be either be like gold, brain rot, you know, yeah, it can be different things. It depends what people want to pick maybe in that round. It's just kid centered. Oh yeah, I don't want to make my game like that as well. I want to make something like Block Strike, you know, it's not trending based, it's flipping concept based. I don't want like when trend dies, the game dies. You know, this is a long-term type of vision for this game. Want this game to have a concept. Yeah, you know what? Let's move ahead with the gold for now. It can be food as well. Food is good idea, not bad. But let's move ahead with the gold. So you know how I am picturing the thumbnail? I'm picturing the thumbnail right now is there is a center circle, probably a red color circle. Okay. There is there'll be like probably 2 characters in the game. One will be Bacon, I mean in the photo, one will be Bacon guy and Bacon girl probably. And you know what? Show only one thing over here. Like only one item. Only one item over here. and one person is like standing over here. Let's say one person is over here, which is closer to this thing, okay? Which is closer to this thing. No. I mean this. I'll give you the exact frame how it should look like. Wait. Let me get out of this. Okay, so this is, let's say this is the actual thumbnail of this photo. There is like a red circle over here. And there's an item over here, like let's say some item over here. And there are two people. One person I want is actually diving into this. Like, I don't know how to say this. They're like, their face should be big, okay? Like this big. No, I think so. It should be like more bigger face. I don't know. It's like they should be like diving in this. Like one hand should be out trying to reach this. And they should be like diving. So their body will be like horizontal. You know what I mean? This guy is like diving to reach it. And the other guy, somewhere over here. Or you know what? How about one more guy just diving over there? But he's like a little bit far from it. One more. That sounds like a good concept. And you know, we can make more variants when there are more. These characters are different. You know, we can put some famous guys over here. Or we can put like 2-3 characters over here. Wait, it can be more levels with more and more stuff to steal with harder levels as you progress. Some rare looking stuff, just like ranked. I think it can also be a fountain filled with gold. I see. You know, in this, the main subject will be everything that I'm showing. Red circle can be a little bit in background. This the object should be visible. Probably some gold shine coming out of it. Like gold shine coming out of it. Okay, gold shine coming out of it. And this guy's face expression is important. It should be like something like, you know, like stressful or something. Or maybe competitive something. This guy's face should be like very visible in the thumbnail. And a good part of it. It's okay if the body is less visible. The face is more important. And the, like, I don't know how to give a face. But, and then another person, maybe over here or something, that is also trying to reach it. What do you say? And probably we can just add more people over here or something. And the background will be, I don't know. Don't want to be like base plate or something. Background, I mean, make it something like green garden or something. Like the map won't be like Eat It Fast though. I'm not thinking of studs thing in this game. I don't want to rely on studs in this one. Yo, can you take a screenshot of this? This is what I thought. One idea. I think it can also be a fountain filled with gold for the thumbnail. Wait, the thumbnail could be one person diving and the other person trying to push him away for it. Honestly, yeah, that idea, that's what I was kind of thinking, but I don't know how to depict that much. Oh, you know what? That's a... Yo, I'm drawing it in my sketchbook. Don't worry. Okay, wait. You know, wait. First, I'll grab this. Send it to you. I'm gonna make one more, which this guy said. Which is actually good. One guy is diving and the other guy is trying to catch him or something. You know, I'm gonna add like a bat in this game as well. Like you can like flip out somebody. Wait a second. Not die play, bro. Die play, I don't know what the flip is he doing. I sent the video to die play for the idea. I don't know if he wants to do it or no. This is first. And make another one, which this guy said actually. This is nice idea. So if I get rid of this guy and this guy's trying to get it, and there's another guy trying to, like, I don't know, should I show like bat or something? Or no, I want like, how do I see if this is not in the center, then it, like, it's kind of crazy, right? Let's say if I add another guy over here that is like holding his hand out like Mr. Beast thumbnail. Have you seen that? He holds a hand out like this. Big hand is visible. And like he's like trying to get this guy. Hold it. But the thing is not in the center, the gold thing. Maybe you can figure out when you're making it. But that's what I'm thinking. Like, so this guy has like a big hand coming out of towards this guy. Like, stop it or something. You know, that type of feeling. That will be the second thing. And make it such that both can be converted into profile picture and thumbnail both. So like just take both two variants, or when you take a screenshot of that. Render it, I mean. The second, I mean. So these are the two I have for now. The person can be behind his feet, like just behind. I see. I think so. Cage will be able to make something really good out of this. And also, keep this Blender file so that we can change the item over here, because it can be brain rot, it can be gold, it can be something else, it can be some drinks, it can be anything. So yeah, keep it like that customizable. All right, thank you so much. So that's the idea. So what do you want me to put in the middle first? Put gold, I guess. Gold. We start with the gold, then we'll see how the game progress. I'm gonna come back in a sec. Washroom. Like gold bar. I'm thinking you can put gold bar as well and try gold ore looking thing as well. You know, some things like just an object which is like this or something, you know, like gold ore. Like this is, let's say this is golden or something. You know what I mean? Like gold bar is like you can just swap out and see which one looks good. Like, wait, let me try to find on the internet. Gold or cartoon photo, I guess. See, something like this I'm talking. This is like this type of ores. No, it looks like a random rock shaped thing and it's shiny. You can put multiple rocks and see which one looks better. I mean, which, like, one ore, like, should we put only one big ore, multiple ores, whatever. And gold bar also, you can try it out. I don't know if that would look good. And yeah. And by the way, I'll give you 1% of the game for this. Actually, you know what? This is insane. Whatever games you make, you don't own 100% of the game at all. 30% is already owned by Roblox. So I have 70% only. That's crazy. 30% is already owned by Roblox. That is insane. So we have this thing now. Now we gotta make this chat. Roblox is so money hungry. Bro, it's for real, dude. Like, they can, like, drop down a little bit. 30 is too much. I guess they can settle for 25, huh? That's crazy, man. At least for small games. Like, people are trying to survive on Roblox and stuff. Let's say your game has this much visits, like, I mean, CCU. Let's say less than 100. Let's say less than 200. Then the cut is 25.75. If your CCU increases above that, then the cut is 30.70. That will still help small developers to make more money so that they can spend more money in their games and make better games. Like, seriously, dude. Wait, let me actually pitch this idea to Roblox on Twitter. Twitter. Roblox, I would like to suggest you an idea to support small developers so they top 10 developers on Roblox are making over 38 million a year. 38 billion, 3 billion. I know. I know. I know. That's why I'm doing this. Steal a Brainrot has made insane money, bro. Imagine if content creators are making that much money, then imagine how much actual developer made. So that they can make better games. If CCU is less than certain number, let's say 200, then the cut of Roblox is 2080 rather than, you know what, 2575 rather than 3070. This will motivate more people to make nice games, and this will allow more people to make nice games. I don't know what to say, man. Should have I should have done hashtag Roblox or something. I can do @Roblox, but I don't want to do that, because that goes into like replies instead of your own thing. But yeah, Roblox is insane money, Chad. I'm telling you. Your game has 1,000 CCU. You are making money equal to a software engineer working in a good company. Popped up in my head for the game. It can be a cave kind of thing with obstacles inside of it. Can add more difficulty. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Let's make a little bit of complex thing. Just want to be like a straightforward game. But yeah, nice idea though. I don't think I'm thinking in that direction. Maybe not. Okay, now we gotta actually complete this ability controller. So how do you do that? This will be a little bit concerning because I faced a lot of issue last time as well when I was trying to do this. Since the GUI like dies. So how this should be? Let's try to figure it out. So let's say let's go like this. Init frame ability controller. Where is this guy even? Ability controller init. We don't get any data over here. Frame and data. We actually don't get any data. We don't get any data actually right now. So data is nothing actually. Player data is nothing. Remove this in the init function. Tab frame. Tab frame. We will start coding. Let's say like this. Services local players is equals to game colon get service. Today is the second day, and if we complete this, probably one day will entirely go for morphs. So 3 day. It's almost done. Lol. I don't know. Local players equals to players dot local player. And when the init function happens, tab frame is equals to local player dot player GUI. Tab frame. Player GUI dot main dot screens dot skill screen dot tabs dot abilities. Alright, so that is the thing. I'm pretty sure I need to do like wait for child everywhere. Otherwise, this will cook me sometimes in the future, which I don't want to come back over here to just fix that. So we'll just go and fix this right now as it is. Alright, player data. We don't have that. So we're gonna first we're gonna go step by step. See, I find it difficult, so here's how I'm gonna approach it. First, let's pretend that there is no data, okay? Let's just pretend that there's no data. Everything is logged, I guess, and you just like click it and it just shows over here. Nothing data is related. Nothing is dynamically related to data. Then we'll introduce the data, and then we'll introduce like you can equip and stuff and everything. We'll go step by step. That's how it needs to be done. Unlocked list abilities. Unlocked over here, logged over here. Template. We'll need a template folder probably in the starter GUI, I guess. I don't know what this is. Like tab frame. You just put a template over here? No, that's not a good thing to do. Maybe we can just have like a folder over here called as UI templates like this. And then we get this template and put this over here like this. And then the ability controllers, what we're gonna do is local player.player GUI dot UI templates dot ability template I'm gonna say ability template like this. Template visible is false right now. That's insane. Why is that false? We don't want to do that, so flip it. And render is self : clear. If child is a frame, then child : destroy. All right, that's good. Destroy it. Great. Now render for all abilities. That means it will go through all the abilities like these: speed boost, jump boost, invis. So ability name. Okay. Now, let's say we don't have the data for now. Wait, level. If level is equals to 0, then create ability. Wait. Why ChatGPT made a code that if level is 0, if level is greater than 0, then unlock the list. Otherwise, log the list. No. I don't have the player data anyways right now. So let's not do that for now. You know what we'll do is everything will be... Nah, let's not do like that as well. All abilities. Let's try to add the data right now. Like we have the data over here. We need to get the ability controller imported over here. Okay. We need the ability controller in the profile controller now. So, fuck. Dependencies. Local this is equals to require. This is one thing I think that when we'll reset the character, these things will break. But anyways, ability controller has a thing called as render. Probably we're gonna call over here render and pass the data over here. Pass the data of abilities and equip chat as well. I mean equip ability as well. I guess that's enough. So we get abilities and we get equipped ability over here in the render. So we get unlocked abilities. How it is this? It's like a string. The ability data is just level. Okay. So, and equipped ability, and that'll be like a string, and this will be like a array of strings. Oh no, wait a second. It's not a like that. Do we have types over here? We don't. Let's get the types actually. like ability data type. Okay. Let's get the types and see what we can do. Let's get the types like this. Okay. And this will be like string and unlocked abilities, right? So ability data. This will be like this. String colon ability data. Okay. String colon ability data. Wait, why is this not? Okay, wait. Ability data is equals to ability data like this. Ability data like this. Ability data like this. And why I cannot make this like string and stuff? Oh, it's gotta be in the brackets then. Sheesh. Alright. Okay. Unlocked abilities, okay? Now, we'll scroll through every abilities. Every possible abilities, okay? Now, if unlocked ability name exists, then not continue, dude. Then you add the ability in unlocked list. But what is this? Name, level. I don't need that actually right now to just display that. So like flip it probably. Oh no, don't flip it, just keep it over there. Level, what is gonna be the level though? It's gonna be unlocked abilities. Wait, so local level is equals to unlocked abilities dot level exists, right? That's how it's made. W auto completion. So yeah, we send the level and unlocked as true. That's funny, bro. The unlocked is true. That is funny. If the flipping list is unlocked, then it'll be unlocked, right? Crazy. So you know what? Just remove the parent. And I can say if unlocked, then unlock list or lock list. Amazing. I like that one liner over there. That's so funny. We don't need that now. I like that one liner over there. So create ability name level and logged. What this will do with template colon clone. Oh my god, I feel like more 10 minutes and we'll be able to see this in action a little bit. We'll be able to see this in action a little bit. A little bit, man. A little bit. Okay. Okay, otherwise, ability name level is 0. Level, I don't think I need level for now. Let me just remove that for now. I don't know why I have that over there, but let it be just like that. You know, I'm not like much bothered about it right now. Just remove this, create ability. So the template is you know what, why do flipping create another variable for a template like this over here? We don't need that. Or do we? Oh, it's only at one place, Lord. Let this be the template. just to make it simpler like this, just keep it as a local variable. Why don't we flipping make a global variable out of that? Huh. Cage, what's up? Wait, Choco, how did you want their face to look? So I was thinking something like, you know, stressful and stuff. So let's go over here. Something like this type of face. Like, of course, I don't want that. I'm not expecting that level of detail, but something like stressful, you know, like this, or maybe like this. Whatever closest thing you can get on Roblox. Like this, you know, this is like a good represent. This is like exactly how I was imagining, like, you know, I mean, not exactly, but like very close. Like a person is like trying to reach somewhere. Like he's trying to reach over here with that face. So something like that. This is actually a good representation. That video. Mr. Beast is at 463. You need 37 million, no, 37 million subscribers to reach 500. And look at his videos. Wait, he actually unlisting videos. I'm pretty sure he had more videos. I don't know why. Looks like he's removing videos from the channel, maybe. I don't know. Subscribe for an iPhone, 289 million views, lol. That's crazy, dude. That's insane, beast. Alright, template clone. Template, what does template has? Template has text. Just the name. Just the name. Okay. So wait a second. We said the ability name over here. We need some better stuff. We need like display name as well. Display name speed boost. Like this. Autofill. Amazing. Autofill. Amazing. Autofill. Amazing. See, that's what I'm saying, chat. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. We send the ability name. Okay. We send the ability name. So we get the ability name over here. Now. So item dot text label. I'm gonna say name. I'm gonna say ability name, I guess. I don't know. Ability name dot text is equals to. I need a display name of that. So you need ability config. Ability config of ability name dot display name. But then actually, you know what? Why do you use this? Why do like have this variable? I've never found like, yeah, just do like that. Alright. Now. So that text will be filled now. Action button text. No action buttons over there. Action button. No, itself, item itself is a button. if this is unlocked. Wait, now we gotta make a function that displays the information over here. All right, so let's make it a function ability controller colon display data, I guess, like this, and display data of that particular ability, right? Just like that, just like that. We're gonna check if that is unlocked or no over here itself. Hi Choco Loco, what's up, Mindy? How you doing? I'm gonna show you guys something over here. Look at how it looks over here. You see the symbol over here? It's different in my OBS than on YouTube. Goody? Nice. Amazing. Isn't it like 3 a.m. for you? Or whatever. I don't know exact time. I'm just guessing. 3-4 a.m. something. What are you doing, lol? Making my new game. I'm making my new game. Look at that. 2 a.m. lol. Wow. Nice. I'm making my new game over here. New game. And you know what is the name of this game? The name of this game will be. The name of this game will be. Do you want to know what? Okay, drum rolls, please. The name of this game will be. La 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 la. Oh my god. I don't know what's the name of this game gonna be yet. Sheesh. So now, gotta see if this is ability unlocked or no. Oh no, I gotta save that unlocked abilities somewhere. Unlocked abilities gotta be like saved somewhere. What kind of game is it? It's something like this. Like this reel. Yep. Okay. Now, I'm trying to add abilities to UI right now. When you click this, I want that ability name, description, and things are shown over there. Wait, let's try the description first. Description is equals to makes you faster. And wait a second, I need to display some data as well. Mint is minty. I have no idea what's going on there. Nice. There'll be more suspense for you when you see this. Makes you faster. Jump higher. Will it autofill something? Become invisible. Wow, love this. Slap a player. Alright. That's good for now. Display data. So when you click on this, based on do you own that or you don't, we're gonna show these buttons over here. Either it's gonna be equip and upgrade, or it's gonna be unlocked. So we gotta know first unlocked abilities, right? So maybe we need some variables. Ah, yeah, I see. Unlock abilities and equipped ability. I need to save that actually. Wow. Thank you. Thank you, dude. Thank you. Alright, ability name. If unlocked ability. Oh wow, it was trying to autofill. I just flipping. Just fill it, please. Never mind. That thing exists. What is this? Alright, bud. If that thing exists, then over here we need local description frame is equals to. It'll be inside. Okay, Chad, we don't have time. Next 5 minutes, I need to end the stream now. Abilities. No, actually, I gotta go above a little bit. Sheesh. Cannot land on ability frame. Tab frame cannot land on that. I actually need to go to skill screen, lol. Skill screen. Wait for child description. And so description frame dot. If you have already unlocked, then unlock dot visible is equals to false. All right, and the other two will be visible, right? Equip visible and upgrade visible for now. But the thumbnail tomorrow. Tomorrow will be my last stream for like a couple of days then. Sheesh, I don't know. I don't know if I'll be surviving when I come back. Hopefully I am. Else unlock visible is true. Other are false. Come on, man. AI, fill it, man. I know you want to. Thank you so much. All right. See, that's good. Now. Description frame dot item name and description. Item name and description is automatically filled over there. Let's flipping go. We gonna comment this out for now, and we gonna call this thing with this thing like this with the ability name probably. Oh my god, let's see what's up. We'll probably get errors, but let's see. Let's see. Profile controller main is not there. Brain rot ones. They're just doing it for money, dude. Insane money they're making. Some people, not everyone. What is this? Player GI, there's no main. What do you mean? See, I told ya, wait for child will be needed over there. Exactly. Ability controller line number 53. What is this? Attempt to index nil with invis. Line number 53. Ability controller. Attempt to index nil with invis. Attempt to index nil. Unlocked abilities is nil. Render. Oh, I don't need render over here. Let's go, chat. Let's go. It's not working as intended. I don't know what the fuck this place is. Like, are we serious right now? Oh, UI list layout. Horizontal element is left. Oh, wait a second. Oh, no. I just realized what I did. Or maybe not. Maybe I'm okay. I don't even know. What am I saying? But I don't have time. That's one thing I know for sure. Gotta go, man. But I don't know why it was not working. Like, what the flip was that white space over there? Did I, like, do something? And why this was not cleared in the first place? Oh, sheesh. Wait, it's not a frame anymore. It's like a button now. These are like text buttons now. I mean, these are like straight up buttons. I don't know if I need to do text button explicitly or it'll be like that. Hopefully it is. Alright, it still doesn't want to work. Okay, as you like. Oh, look at that. Not bad. The clear thing is not working. We gotta make it like text button probably. That's why it's not working. I thought button would work, but it's alright. Now just one thing. That why? Okay, let's see. It's invisibility become invisible unlock. You see that? You see that? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm flipping talking about. Just add a click sound effect, and I don't know why the flip. Where is this space coming from? Is it like some sort of... I don't know. Wait, let's actually see where it's coming from. Main controller, screen, skills, screen, tabs, abilities. Yes, why the flip ability position is 0.5 over there? What the flip? Make it 0. Oh, I know why this is breaking. Sheesh, I know why this is breaking. Oh no. I know why this is breaking. Sheesh. Anchor point 0, position 0. Oh my god, it's tab changing thing. So ability tab controller. Tab controller, when you change the tab and it tweens. Oh god. This tween is breaking everything. This position gotta be, you know what, just flipping, put it 0, I don't know. Put it 0, the X. And it's also changing its anchor point as well. Keep it 0. Why is the space there? I got it. If you don't have any equipped or unlocked stuff, the empty space at the top would look bland, so the lock space can take the empty space. Ooh. Yeah, think all about that later. That's a nice thing, but I'll think all about that later. All right, look at that, chat. Look at this animation. It's weird looking now. I mean, not weird exactly, but it's all right. But you see that? You can press this unlock button. I gotta make it that you can press that and stuff like that. But that's a W1. So far, so good. I can end the stream now. 5 minutes, but the thumbnail. Oh, wait, I read that. All right. You can like go open the shop, close the shop. I mean, you can go to abilities section. You can go to abilities section and you will see logged abilities over here. It will tell you what it is. It'll be buttons over here. That's cool as F, right? Right, or am I right? Should be sliding horizontally and it would look peak. I'm not gonna do that right now. I mean, I can do it. I don't want to do it right now, I'll be honest. That all thing, I'm not gonna worry about anything right now. Just gonna make this game work the hell out of it. Like, everything just works. Then probably I'm gonna hire somebody to just make the UI nicer and everything. Alright, see, now you have these things. The next step would be that you press this unlock button, sends the request to server, and you can spend some money to unlock this. Alright, you can spend some money to unlock that. That's what the next step would be. And when you unlock this, it should come back to GUI and it should move this over here. And when you click on this field, and when you click on over here, it should show the buttons that you want to equip this. And when you press equip, it should change the name to equipped over there as well. And I gotta make some GUI on the screen as well. I gotta make that you equip the GUI. Once you equip the GUI, I need to share to the server that that's the thing that you want to equip. And change it on the database as well. Once that thing happens, and then I'll change the slap ability. Hopefully this all thing what I said should be completed. I want to wrap up abilities by tomorrow's end of the stream at least. So I can start with the morphs next. Okay, once that thing completes, I don't think I'll add shop right now. But of course I'm not going to release without the shop. Shop is important. But yeah, man, everything is like nice. Okay, bye chat. Thank you so much for joining the stream. Appreciate it. If you are new to the stream, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And if you're on YouTube and if you're on Twitch, make sure to smash that follow button. I'll meet you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a stream. I'll try to stream early, and I'll be ending the stream early as well, because by this time I'll be literally on a vehicle traveling to somewhere. Okay, so I'll end the stream. Tomorrow's stream will be short as well. I might stream again today, who knows. We'll grind this out, try to complete this. All right, thank you so much for joining the stream. Appreciate it. Goodbye. Watch the video in the pinned comment, Dream House one, and subscribe to the main channel as well. I'm not posting much videos over there right now, but I think so I'll come back from the trip and we'll grind some editing of the videos as well. Goodbye. See ya. Thank you so much for watching.